we got off of the ferry boat, they still have the Christmas decor up here in the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Me and Nan suspect that is because of the RunDisney weekend.
Yes.
I think it's really funny though, how all the other parks have their tree up except Epcot. Epcot said no tree for you, but that is probably because they have the art festival
Oh yeah.
on Friday. I just realized something. Mickey and Minnie are no longer here.
Oh, the 50th. They were for the 50th. Right?
Yeah, they should have kept them. I really hope they keep I hope they keep the golden statues and stuff still. Look at that beautiful blue sky with the Christmas music, and look at the wreath, the garland right in front of us.
And the music.
Yeah, the music, of course, Nanny.
Good. Put it up here.
Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, we've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That will help make room for any new buccaneers.
Look at the lineup for Splash Mountain.
Oh wow, yeah.
We're gonna hopefully be here on closing date, which is January 22nd.
To ride it one time.
One more time, yeah.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise. Telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here,
Please keep all arms inside the train, thank you.
that village is a truly special place. Putting up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets in Spaceport 7-5. The technology limit.
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
voice of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Yeah, this is new. This is what I mean now. You can look, you can see like the Bay Lake and Contemporary Resort. Even the monorail when it passes by, that's beautiful. That is a really beautiful shot. It's very peaceful. Yeah, all the water, the trees, the bus station too. This is approaching now to Main Street Station. This is beautiful.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA. Those critters love when folks drop in. Your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Hear ye, hear ye.
pirate on your birthday too.
Tinkerbell. On that next. It's the same parade you've seen before, I guess. We've seen parts of it, yeah. No, we haven't sat one. Not really. Apparently no. Tinkerbell!
Hey Nan, do you remember when we think that Liberty Bell was the steam train in front?
Yeah. Yeah. We haven't ridden on it.
I can't believe the 50th anniversary is almost over here at the Magic Kingdom.
Yes, it is.
I mean, I don't. It really does feel so long ago since we watched the castle actually get decorated and repainted.
Yeah.
But
It's gonna be up in March, right?
yeah, it's finishing March of this year. Another thing that's just kind of I can't believe. You got so used to the pink color, and now she's gonna go back to that off-white gray.
Really? Are they gonna do that?
Yep, they always change it. They had for the 25th like a cake.
Yeah.
So this year was more like a royal color. And then she goes back to the regular blue, and they still have the Christmas decor on the back of the castle though.
Speedway.
Speedway?
114 minutes.
No. They're 10-minute wait.
Oh, is that?
The People Mover is your speed of ride?
Yes.
5 miles an hour?
Yes.
That's not even as fast as a car. It's a very slow car.
It's the speed of my feet.
So I've discovered there are 2 rides at Disney, well, Disney World specific. This is actually kind of a rare thing for them. But on Space Mountain and presumably TRON, when it opens, you cannot film.
Oh, really?
No, they do not want you to have a camera or your cell phone on Space Mountain because apparently people were losing them.
Yeah.
And then on TRON, they actually have the similar dual-sided lockers that Universal has for their roller coasters. So that's going to be interesting. And time for our daily People Mover run, just to see TRON.
Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. The absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see. From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please fly well on board. Thank you.
And Star Traders. Transfer to green and red line.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by 2 of my favorite spots.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and TRON Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are 2 of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light and speedy competition.
Yeah, I can see the sign just red. Okay, we'll be zooming in as it's going to be kind of hard to see the actual sign from like way up here. It's the height requirement for the actual name of the attraction. It's coming up still, but you guys can see it right down there.
Please keep forward facing across clear on vehicles.
Yes, right there. But yeah, they are testing the attraction. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
They have completely gutted out the gift store that's next to the Space Mountain. I'm pretty sure they're going to be making this into like a TRON theme for one as well. Tomorrowland Power Company is what it's called.
Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin on experiments.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops. inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. You can count on us. Or nine, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our people mover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
Like that. We have gotten a nice picture of it.
It's time to celebrate!
That is all the medals. All of them, from 5K to Dopey. There's a lot of runners here today, because today is the marathon weekend for RunDisney. Congratulations! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, when you see them with like 5 medals,
Oh my God, yeah.
from the 5K to the challenge to the half, to the full, I can't believe it.
Oh my gosh, yes.
What's really nice, I don't know how proud they all look while they're getting their photos.
Yeah.
Gosh, I
They
love
have
it.
to be
I
proud.
love it. Yes.
RunDisney is the best thing.
It is. It
the
really
best.
is the best
It's not being
thing.
able to run.
We're going to check out the Emporium to see if there's any new merchandise. I actually heard that the 50th Grand Finale collection has come out because, again, the 50th is ending very soon in March. First thing I see is a new Loungefly for $85. This is actually beautiful. It's like the holographic sort of color with the fireworks.
You should get one.
And the back says 50. The Spirit jersey, this is like, it's like a nice tie-dye with gold, like the old timey gold. And it has Mickey and Minnie at the bottom in the 50th gear. The front of it, it just has, oh, they have it different. It's the castle now instead of the logo.
How much is it?
How much are these? These are $89. They also have these mugs right here for $19.99. That's not bad, like if you want a small souvenir.
Is that the one where you put hot trinkets?
No, that's my Phantasmic one.
Oh, okay.
You're close though. 50th Starbucks tumbler. Yeah. It has the same kind of holographic design to it for $49.99. Here's another one. It says 50. Oh, it actually has Mickey and his friends on the sleeves. And then the back says Walt Disney World. This is another one of the going away party for the 50th merchandise.
Let's see the 100.
They also have the 50th monorail here, which I think will become a big collector's item. I've actually never seen this before in any of the years coming to Disney for the holidays. They have Hanukkah merchandise now. They have a Mickey with like a little dreidel, a table runner, wine glasses, a dreidel even. These are really nice. Thanks to a cast member in the other building where the 50th was, she told us that they moved the 100th anniversary into like the main building. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful silver with like pastel purples and pinks. And look at that. They have like a classic of Mickey and his friends, the old 20s drawings. And the reason why it's a 100th anniversary, this is the 100th anniversary this year of the actual Walt Disney World Company. Started in 1923. This is really historic, like 100 years of a company. I can't believe it. This is the 100th anniversary mug. It's a nice silver shiny color, it's like a mirror silver. Again, for the same $49.99 price.
I thought it would have been 100.
Oh no.
$1 for each year.
$1 for each year? No, thankfully it's not. Here's a nice little throw pillow for $49.99. There's also the Loungefly bag, which I have seen before, and I thought it was chrome. But no, it's a 100th anniversary collection. These are $75, which is not bad for a Loungefly at all. Here are the 100th anniversary ears. They're very pretty. It looks, the shapes in the ears actually remind me of Epcot, like the triangles. Yeah. And the bow. It's actually a very Epcot kind of colored ear, if you think about it. Oh yeah, there's also the kids, with the little pants, a shirt. Look, even like the shirt. Oh. Even on the adult shirt they have here, it looks like a movie cinema. Look, like how they're dressed.
Yeah.
They're ready for the red carpet. There's some Christmas ornaments. One is shaped like a Mickey hat. And then one, oh, these are cute. 100 Years of Wonder with Chip and Dale. That is really cute. There's also a set down here, I believe. Yeah, there's a set down here with Mickey and his friends. Oh, there's a red Tinkerbell one. I didn't even notice her. There's also a Tinkerbell themed one. There's also classic ear hats that say 100 on them, Disney 100. Here's a closer view of those Christmas ornaments that we saw over in the other display. There's also this other hoodie. It says 100 on it. It's actually embroidered on. Sleeves have fireworks on them. Let me see if this is a front design. Yeah, this is a front design. You can see Mickey right on the breast right here of this one. Oh, look at this 100-year cap that Nan found. That's nice. It's like a simple souvenir.
Yes.
I really like that. Oh, look at the jacket too. This is a nice purple. I really like this purple color. Let's see. Oh, the design is embroidered on. That's awesome. It's embroidered.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is very beautiful. I wonder how much this is. Let's see. $64.99. That's not bad. That is really not bad.
It would have been like 100 or...
For the embroidery and everything, yeah. Walt Disney World on the sleeve. For $34.99, look at how cute they are. It's little Chip and Dale stuffed toys, but they're like in their like little 50th suits. That is so cute. That is actually adorable. It seems like a lot of the plushies for the 100th sold out already.
Yeah.
Because it seems like they only have Pluto. He has like a little 100 on, oh, can you get him out? Yeah. He has like a little 100 on his collar.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they also have Chip and Dale.
Yeah, these will sell out, isn't it?
I really like it. Look how it says Walt Disney World on top there. And then all the way down the display. Oh, the Crocs. Look at those Crocs.
So beautiful.
Those are nice. I'm sorry, every time they release new Crocs, they're really nice designs. Like, genuinely.
How much is this?
I believe the Crocs... There's a tag there. I can't grab onto it right now. Could you help me, Nan? I almost forgot to show these, but they have the Pet Spirit jerseys with the 100 design on it as well. I wish the cat would let me put him in one of these. These are nice, Nan. Yeah. These are part of the main attraction collection. This one is Jungle Cruise themed. Isn't that cool?
Cool.
And they also have the Haunted Mansion ones right next to it, which I think will be good for Disney bound.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are good for Disney bounding. They also have They also have the Loungefly right down here to match. They have both them, the Haunted and Jungler. We forgot to say it this year.
What?
The Mickey Christmas Carol.
Oh yeah.
Remember they changed the window dressings?
Yeah.
Do you remember we were watching it for Christmas, honey?
Yeah.
Me and you? I like how they even included the door knocker when it changed over to Marley.
Somebody or something?